All of the patients that we see here are truly our neighbors, our friends, our family. It makes us small but mighty, in my opinion, because we have to really lean on each other to be able to take care of our patients. We may not see the acuity of the bigger hospitals, but we still, like I said, have to provide that same level of care. So it can be challenging to find the right, staffing fit.
I personally was looking for, someone or a company that was going to be able to kind of help us with some of that and take on some of that responsibility. The nice thing about MedCurate is they pretty much take care of the whole process up front for us. They make sure that they are getting all the certifications, all the licensing.
The onboarding process from MedCurate has been significantly simpler than any of the other contract agencies that I've ever used. It's very streamlined. The communication, I can call them or text them basically 24/7 with any issues or just updates. But they also send us a full packet where it's kind of just handed to me on a silver platter. Everything I need is sent to me in an email before the nurse starts. So honestly, I don't really have to do any work with it. It just kind of shows up in my email.
If I reach out to them, whether it's by email, by phone, I usually get a response pretty quickly. I mean, that same day, if not, right away.
It's been such a help to just be able to go into MedCurate, be able to post what shifts I have open and know that, one, they're likely going to get filled, and two, I can trust whoever's coming in. That way I can, devote more time to taking care of patients and all of the other tasks that we have to get done. The quality of the MedCurate nurses is, in my opinion, significantly better and different than previous staffing agencies that I've used. They're all very well experienced, which sometimes you don't get from staffing agencies. There's a couple of my MedCurate nurses that we use regularly that get the same, if not more, compliments from patients than my staff do, just because they're all so kind and just willing to help. But it's also tough to be an agency nurse coming into especially a small department like I have. But they have all just had such a great attitude. They've blended right in. For any organization that's considering MedCurate, I would say that the quality of the staff that you're getting, the ease and the flexibility of the product, and the financial benefits related to the product really far outweigh any other agency.